Hello everyone. Today we're at ARENA 2036, where we just presented the results of the AutoGBA project. I'm here with Manuel Zürn. Manuel is the team lead engineering innovation, and he was heading this project. But before we get into the project itself, Manuel, could you tell me a bit more about the ARENA 2036 and our involvement in it?
Yes, sure. The ARENA 2036 is an active research campus here at the University of Stuttgart, located to build this proximity between research and industry. And we are one of the members of ARENA 2036. And with the membership, we also do a lot of collaboration projects. And one of the projects is our AutoGBA project, which we present today.
Thank you. So let's dive right into it. What is this project all about?
The project is about assembling a gearbox with different bolts, a gearbox, gears obviously, washers, and the main challenge of this project is that we only have a few micrometers between bolt and gearbox, so the tolerances are very tight.
And could you tell me a bit more about the setup itself, about the robots, about the different peripherals that are involved here, and also the software?
Sure. So from a robot perspective, we use our Diana 7, so we use two of them, one for holding the counterpart all the time and one for inserting the gear and fitting the bolt. And with our Diana 7s, we are able to achieve this dexterity of grasping all around the gearbox, which is very important for this task because we have to assemble from each side. And we use also our software platform AgileCore. In AgileCore, we have implemented a dexterous force torque insertion skill, where we use the force torque sensor on the Diana 7 and insert with the force torque sensor with very intelligent and stateful force torque controller, the bolt in the gearbox.
Okay. And I also noticed a customized gripper in the setup, right?
Yes.
Could you tell me a bit more about that?
So what we use here is parallel grippers with extra functionalities for grasping washers and also I/O magnet and permanent magnet grippers, which help in finding good grasping positions because the whole setup is very greased.
Okay. And in the end, the whole thing was assembled correctly, right? How many bolts and gears were involved in total?
In total, we had 3 bolts and 6 gears with 6 washers.
Okay. And how long did it take, approximately?
1 minute and 30 seconds.
All right, okay. And so, to sort of sum it all up, what is the benefit for the industry here?
So the benefit of the industry is the proximity. So you can build up collaboration projects, for example, as we did now with Daimler Truck. We sit right in front of Daimler Truck, so we can just walk over, talk about our technologies, about their problems and finding solutions together. But also with the ARENA management, which really helps us focusing and developing new project ideas and always being on the edge of innovation.
Okay. Well, Manuel, thank you very much. And thank you all for tuning in. And if you want to know more about the ARENA 2036, click on the links in the comment. That's where we also link the project. Thank you very much.
Thank you.